Okay, so this is gonna have to be my last stop of the day, even though it wasn't my plan. I really wanted to go more places. Unfortunately, I just kind of took my time getting out of the house, and then once I took my time getting out of the house, I took my time when I got out of the house. So I just arrived at Black Rose in Chambersburg. I'm still looking for kitschy stuff for my Etsy. I'm looking for stuff for Whatnot. I don't have much time. I have like 40 minutes, so it's gonna be a quick trip. They're about to close cases, so I better get in here really quickly. I'm gonna grab that Miller Studio chalkware. I also picked up a couple bisque dolls. Since this is only $3 and 20%, I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab this too. Whoa. Okay, never mind. Not as exciting as I thought it was gonna be when I first picked it up. I'm being kind of quick. Made in China, yeah, repomp. What about this? No, that's definitely not what I thought it is either. That's missing its original dinger. This is broken. Huh. I wonder if that is, it's only $3 and 20%. I feel like I could clean that up a little bit. Let's see what else we can grab here. Whoa, look at this German vase. $2.95. That's insane. It's got a chip on it, but still. I think I'm gonna get it anyway. It's really old and it's really nice. I know I've been trying to stay away from things that are broken, but at that price, this is kind of cool. $1.50. Looks like it's leather, almost. Let's see, what about the bird? That's kind of nice too. $4 and 20%. We're just gonna start grabbing stuff. This is gonna get out of hand quick. This is cool. I'm gonna get this. I love the texture to it. Even though I normally don't do brown, I'm more of a colors person. I think it is kind of fun to get different stuff sometimes. All right, I've already lost track of what I'm spending, but we have more shoes. $1.50. I know I said I was gonna stay away from things that were damaged, but that German vase, that I couldn't resist. That one's really broken. I can't resist. And that is bisque. I did break both my rules for bisque and damaged over that vase. I mean, it was also like $1 or something. Let's see, what about the little planter? $4. It's cute. Might be a good Whatnot item. I kind of like these, but those are really broken. This is kind of a chaotic trip, isn't it? And I'm just now seeing 50% off in this booth. This is one of those, now it doesn't work anymore, but still, it's only $3. I'm gonna grab that. Let's see. I've been selling a lot of poodles on my Whatnot. This is cute too. It's the berries. What about the little, oh, it's like a unicorn goat. $6. That's kind of neat. It's an older one too. I think that might be fun for Whatnot. And what about this ashtray? Otajiri, Japan. That's really quite nice. Again, $6. I'm gonna try it out maybe. And how much is this? Kind of strange. $6. I don't want to mess with something that needs batteries though. I'm curious how much this is. It looks like Fostoria. Yeah, $15. It's pink. It's really pretty. I think I could get some out of that actually. It's still more than I'd like to spend. Let me see what else is here. This is on my way out anyway. I have to come back. Look at this vase. Is this Otajiri too? I'm not sure. Wait, I want to go to my favorite vendor before I'm gonna like run back there. On my way, I did decide to stop at the poodle booth. This is kind of strange. It's only $1. The thing that really sticks out to me though are these Rosenthal poodle trinket dishes. $15 for two. That's $7.50 for each. I could put one on Whatnot and one on Etsy. This is adding up fast. These sell really well though. They're hard to find. What's happening up here? How repaired? Oh, so repaired. Not even funny. Completely cracked. Can't do that. I know this is new, but I do kind of love it. It's really heavy though. It would cost a lot to ship, and I don't think it would sell for much. But also look at this super spooky poodle. Look, random foo dog. And he is 50% off, so $5. I wonder how well he'd sell. I feel like he's missing, well, obviously he's missing his partner. Hold on 1 second. This is distracting me. 17. That is really pretty. I don't really feel like messing with that today, but for $5, I feel like I should get this. That would be good for whatnot. Oh my gosh, stop. Oh, this person probably knows what this is. $10? Stop. How cracked is it? That's my next question. It's got a little wear on his nose right there, but it looks all right to me. I'm taking this. That's an amazing deal. This is a super rare planter. I have a feeling this is gonna sell for a lot too. And then we've got the meal box salt and pepper shakers. $9.50. What? I don't remember this vendor being this well priced. Oh my God, they're gonna kick me out here. Look at the bunny rabbits too. $9 is a little bit more than I'd like to spend on those. And look at how cute these little vases are. They're about to kick me out of here. I still haven't made it to my favorite vendor, but what? I see a lot of really cute stuff, but nothing that I really think I need to grab, right? What about this little Joseph Originals? That's only $5. That's kind of cute. Oh, I think I'm kind of crapping out here. Ooh, $14 on the mouse dish. That's not bad. They have another spot too I want to go to right quick. All right, you guys, look what I found. There's a lot happening here. Okay, so first of all, obviously, is the Happy Easter blow mold. Fortunately, it's got a big chunk missing out of it. What about this rabbit? That is fantastic. He's got a smushed face. He's only $12 though. I just had one like him in better condition though, so I'm not sure how well that would do for $12. This one's Alan J, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Alan J, Carlisle. I've had this one before. $10 is not a bad price at all. It's got some stuff missing. The fire dogs don't sell well for me at all. I think I'm tapped out. That happened quick. Oh, look, there's another one of those doll cases that I love so much, but that one's $22. I also have to run and look at this custard glass. I love that color. All right, and then this booth is where I get all my great salt and pepper shakers here. I am seeing this mushroom set. This is epic. Oh my gosh. It's even got the original box. I'm carrying so much stuff. That's why my camera work is really subpar right now. $3 sold. And then the cracked egg. That's really fun. I'm gonna throw that in the the basket too. Let's see, is there anything else that jumps out at me? The golf's fun. How much is that? $17.50. Somebody really likes golf. I literally have like a couple minutes left. Just grabbing stuff. This hobbyist bunny mug is fantastic. $3.99. I had one of those last year and it sold super quick. Everyone wanted it. I'm gonna grab that. Let's see. Oh my gosh, there's stuff everywhere. And my basket's like overfilling. Ah, I need to know what this vase is. That is so cool. $6 and 20%. I'm getting that. I love it. Very cool. What else do they have going on here? I looked at those last time. They were too much for resale. What about the little fused glass 16? Ooh. This is very cool. And it's only $8. I think I'm gonna pick that up. You guys, look what I found. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. I love it. $7. I'm just now seeing where it's got some damage, but for $10, I am not upset about it. So cute. That was kind of a crazy whirlwind trip. I ended up spending $131 in there. I got a ton of stuff. I don't even really know if I paid too much mind to what I did and didn't get, but it's okay. It's time to go back home, head back down to DC. It's rush hour, I'm hungry, and I got a lot of listings to do. I will see you guys at my next Whatnot sale. I have no idea what day this is posting, so I can't tell you when it is, but I can tell you that you can find me on Whatnot on FollowThatBug, and of course, everything that doesn't go on Whatnot is going to my Etsy shop, which is in the description.